Netball coaching drills. For netball coaches, drills can be a lifesaver and are a great way to teach players a whole variety of skills that are crucial in the game of netball. Unfortunately, finding great netball coaching drills out there can be tough, but don't worry because we've compiled a list of some of the very best netball drills on this page. Number netball. Here's a fun drill that will help players with their offensive skills. Start by dividing up the players into two groups and give each player in each group a sequential number, so 1, 2, 3, and so on. One group becomes the offenders and a ball should be given to player number 1. That player should then pass to player 2 who then passes to player 3 and so on. The other group becomes the defenders and they must try to get the ball off of the other team as they are passing from one another. If they get the ball successfully, they then become the offensive team and the other group becomes the defensive team. Triangle defense. Here's a great netball coaching drill that helps players to develop their defense skills. It requires one ball and 4 players. To set up for the drill, position 3 of the players in a triangle, each standing about 3 meters apart, and give a ball to one of the players. The 4th player becomes the defender and must stand opposite the player with the ball. The defender should be standing between the other 2 players and slightly in front of them. The player with the ball must then make a chest pass to either of the other 2 players making up the triangle, and the defender must try to intercept the ball. Once the defender has successfully intercepted 4 balls, the positions are rotated and the drill is repeated. The 4-corner pass. This drill is designed to help players with their passing abilities and requires 5 players to be performed. 4 players must create a square with 1 player standing at each corner of the square. The 5th player becomes the attacker and then stands in the middle of the square with a ball. The attacker must then drive, cut, and use the space around the square until they have passed and received from each of the other 4 players twice, but they may not pass to the same player twice in a row. Once completed, rotate the positions and repeat the drill.